Hi everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to use our Parsi Dahl mix, which will give you a nice big pan of gently spiced lentils. Very easy to do. As always, in the pack is all of the spices and the fried onions, and on the back I've written a suggestion of what to add and how to prepare them. And that's just what I'm going to show you today. So all you need for this is the spice mix, 200 grams of lentils. I'm using red split lentils. Some chopped tomato. You can use tin chopped tomatoes if you want. You need about half a tin of chopped tomatoes maybe, and 600 ml of water. So in the pan, I've already warmed up some oil, just basic cooking oil. You can use ghee if you want, but today I'm just using standard cooking oil, sunflower oil. Make sure it's not too hot, just nice hot enough uh, to warm up your spices, release the flavor from the spices. So open up that packet and in it goes. If it's too hot, it will burn the spices and they'll taste bitter, and nobody wants that. Okay, so put that in. As soon as you put those in, within seconds, you'll get the lovely smell of those spices frying. Okay, and do that for about a minute. I will speed this video up. Let's turn that down a tiny bit. Okay, once that's been done for about a minute or so, just as I say, enough time for the flavour to come out of those spices. Really simple. All I'm going to do is I'm going to put my lentils. Now these are red split lentils. Because they're so small and fine, I haven't bothered to soak them first. All I've done is rinse them till the water runs more or less clear, but they don't need pre-soaking because they will cook pretty quickly from scratch. So I'll put that in. I'll add in my chopped tomatoes. Sometimes when we're cooking, you can add other vegetables if you like. Pumpkins, nice, butternut squash, courgettes. But I'm just adding chopped tomatoes, that little bit of sweetness, and 600 ml of water. Doesn't have to be boiling water, doesn't have to be hot water. You can if you want. Right, so that's all in there. All I'm going to do is bring that to the boil. And then when that comes to the boil, I'm going to cover it and I'm going to let it cook. The only thing I would say is take about 20 minutes to cook, but occasionally do lift the lid and give them a stir every now and again, just to make sure it's not sticking to the bottom. So I'm going to put the lid on there now anyway. Let that come to the boil. Turn it down to a very gentle simmer. Stir it now and again, and we'll come back to that when it's ready and see how it's doing. Okay, that's been about 20 minutes or so. So let's take a look. As you can see, I'm going to turn that off now. Most of the water has evaporated. The lentils are looking much softer and cooked now. Some people choose to blend the dal. You can do if you want to. I prefer not to. I like it just as it is fine. Let's have a taste. Check they're cooked. It's going to be hot, so I'll blow. Yeah, lovely. One thing I will do, you don't have to again, but I've just got some fresh lemon here, which I'm going to squeeze on there. Just gives it a nice tang. Stir that in. And you can now have that with rice as a side dish, with some chicken, with some, just in a bowl with some flatbreads. However you choose to have it, I hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching this. Feedback's always welcome. Enjoy your cooking. Thank you.